There are a lot of different ways to do flexible path and pace in the classroom. So if you're doing flexible path and pace, one thing that you can do is create stations based on choice boards. So students would have an option, but Jason's going to talk about that later. Another option that you could have would be to differentiate based on ability. Text leveler, Jason's also going to talk about text leveler later on. So I'm going to tackle the DOK questions. So depth of knowledge questions is an option that you can use for your class, and I like to use it as a target number. So let me explain. I'm going to go in Magic School and I'm going to click DOK questions. And when I do, I'm going to use 11th grade and I'm going to type in a science standard for this one. And when I do that, it'll create depth of knowledge questions based on DOK level 1, which is recall, level 2, which is skill and concept, 3, which is strategic thinking, and 4, which is that extended thinking. Now what you can do, and this is entirely up to you as far as how you tackle this, but you could give the students a number. So for example, all of these projects would be level 1, so they would get 1 point for completion of this. If you did level 2, they would be 2 points. Level 3 would be 3, and obviously level 4 would be then worth 4 points. And you can give the students a target number. So for example, 7. I like the rule of 7. So if they can choose to do 2 level 1s, that would be 2 points. A level 2, that would be a total of 4 points. And then they could do a level 3, one of these options for level 3, that would get them to a total of 7. So in essence, they would be doing a series of different options. You could give them a list of all 16 of these to choose from, and they have to just get to a total of 7. That's called the rule of 7, DOK, and it ensures that students are working at all different learning levels. They could do levels 1 and 2, but they have to do more of those, so more repetition, as opposed to if they stay at level 3 and level 4 and just do one of each of those, it's higher level thinking, so they have to do fewer projects, but more in depth. So that's the DOK rule of 7, and again, you can choose any target number that you want to, and the kids are choosing, if you use this Magic School tool, from 16 different ideas, so there's plenty of flexibility and pace projects for them.